Hi friends, now I will show you the room tour of deluxe cottage of Mango Tree Farm and Resorts. Now this is the room which has been allotted to me, and outside you will see a swing which gives you a very different feeling of being in a proper village area. Now as you move into the room you will see it's very spacious, medium sized bed, and here if you see a window with two chairs and a small tea table, then a workspace desk, then again a window, then the storage area, and here if you go to the other side you will see a sofa which is again quite spacious, can sleep one. So ideally in this room you can have 3 people or a small family. This is the bed, and here if you go I can show you the washroom. This is again good, spacious, clean, well maintained washroom. So they have kept the minimal decoration which makes it much more attractive. They have not tried to put up photos and artifacts everywhere. They have kept it minimalistic, maintained a good charm in the room. The roof again does not allow any heat to come in. It's almost 1:30 in the afternoon, 2 in the afternoon. The AC is still not on, but there is not a drop of sweat in this summer. And here is the view from outside of the room, the mountains and the greenery. Thank you.